So Na plus Cl2 giving NaCl is one very good example of what combination reaction. Why? Because here reactants are combining together to form the product. Okay, so you can give example of the hydrogen and ammonia also. You can write it yourself. Okay, I'm not going to write that again. So you can write that yourself. Two questions would be enough. Okay, as the example there, combination reaction. Okay, now second type of the reaction. Let's move on to that. Second type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Now, if you look at the word there, decomposition. So here also like very similar condition. Again, just try to get the literal meaning there. What is the literal meaning of decomposition? Decomposition actually is the opposite of combination, right? Combination means there is fusion going on something. Two things combining together. Whereas decomposition means breaking down, right? So decomposition is exactly opposite thing. Now you can guess a reactant breaking down into products. Reactant breaking down into product is actually decomposition reaction. So let's write the definition again. You can make it yourself, right? It's very easy. Decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which reactant breaks down to form products. Reactant breaks down to form products. They are breaking down exactly. That's exactly opposite there. Okay, now let's take example. You'll be easy to understand. Okay, let's take example here. I'll be writing example this side. Okay, let's take example CaCO3. CaCO3. Brisa, what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound?
Calcium carbonate.
Yes, calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate, if it is heated, then it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now look at this reaction. Yeah. So you can clearly see this reaction looks very opposite of that combination reaction. Here, what's going on? Calcium carbonate is being broken down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So reactant here is breaking down to form two products. This type of reaction we call as the decomposition reaction. Okay, this is exactly opposite of combination reaction. Now let's move on to the third type. So all these type of the reactions, just look at the meaning of the names there. It'll be easy to find out there. The third type of the reaction there, displacement reaction. So what is the literal meaning of displacement? If you remember this displacement thing, okay, if you exactly understand the literal meaning of displacement, then this also is kind of easy to understand. What's the meaning of displacement? Displacement, what's the literal meaning? Let me give you an example here. Okay, so in this slide here you can see the pictures, right? Okay, so one person is there, the girl is there, and two boys are in this side. Okay, so one good example I can give you is displacement is if this girl goes to this side and if she removes this person completely and this person goes somewhere else, okay, then I can say this girl has displaced this boy. Okay, displace means to remove some other person, okay, or thing, whatever you can say, and just to sit there instead of that person or thing. Okay, remove that person and take that position is the displacement. That's a literal meaning, right? So here also and displacement reaction actually means the same thing. Here the radicals will displace each other. One radical will displace other radical. Let's take example and easy to understand.